Hey Loungers, welcome back. We're going to be styling my hair today. I look a mess. Woo! So my hair is already washed and detangled, conditioned, and all that. So I'm going to start off with oiling my scalp and giving myself a scalp massage and moisturizing my hair in 4 sections so that it's prepared when I'm ready to do the styling. And that's what you're going to see me doing here. I'm going to fast forward this to get to the good stuff. I'm going to be leaving the Miel's Hawaiian Ginger Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm going to be using their moisturizer in this video. I really liked it. It's really, really, really lightweight. So if you have fine hair and you don't like your hair to be weighed down by heavy butters, then this product is probably the one for you. I mean, it's a black-owned business, so check them out. So you see me using the SOS Edge Control on the perimeter of this square. I'm going to put this in a rubber band, and I'm going to rubber band these all together to put my hair up into like a little updo ponytail. So that's what you see me doing here. Then I'm going to do this to the whole entire back section. Look how slick. So right before this video, I actually broke my nail, and as you can see, I have that Band-Aid on. I actually wanted to braid my whole front side of my head down into French braids, but doing this braid right here was a struggle with this Band-Aid. So I'm only going to do this one braid, and I'm going to do something different to the sides. Now that my hair is all up, I'm going to use my Standard Style edge scarf and lay my edges down and let those set overnight. Now I'm going to use my Nairobi setting lotion to wet the hair at the top of the ponytail and put some rods in. Now it is the next morning, super early. I'm going to take my bonnet off and my scarf and take my rollers out. And that's it for this style, you guys. My actual rods, they actually were not even dry. And I was kind of mad about that because I let them sit in there overnight. I thought they would have been dry. I was all outside in the heat. And it definitely did not dry completely. So make sure that your hair is all the way dry. I really didn't care. It's just going to be like a fluffy look this time, but if you want them to be a little bit more precise and smooth, then you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. But thanks for tuning in, you guys. So now I'm just going to add the Dollar Club Shine and Hold Mist. It's really lightweight, but it does the job. And that is the final product. And here's the final look. Thank you guys for tuning in to Pookie Got Said What's Up. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Peace out. Bye.